Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. Still chewing gum, still not smoking. Alright, been 6 months. Anyhow, got the Aaron's mower deck here, doing a few repairs to it, and this is just a quick one to show you that you don't always have to run to the store. If you've already run to the store ahead of time. Anyhow, gasket material. This is a little selection I got off Amazon from Felpro. It's got a couple of different corks, a couple of different paper gaskets, you know, different thicknesses of cork, different thicknesses of paper, whatnot in here. We're going to use this nice black stuff here. And you can also get it in rolls. Anyways, less than 20 bucks for all of this. Keep it on your shelf. These are, what, 26 inches long by 10 inches. Yeah. And, yeah, just keep the stuff on your shelf. I'll show you how to use it. We need a gasket for this. Gasket's really easy to make. So we're just going to take a quick measurement here. It's round, so looks like we need about a 6-inch square, 5.5-inch square. Yeah, 5.5 will work. So I'm just going to take my piece here. Mark our 5.5 this way. Drop that on the floor, because why not? 5.5 that way. It'd be so much easier to do if I wasn't doing it on camera. Alright, I'm going to cut that square out. Be right back. So, put this chunk back in your whatever pile, and that chunk right there. Okay, I've got it sitting here, kind of centered up where we're going, and I'm just going to start tapping. I got it held in the vise here. Once you've tapped it around pretty good, it'll start coming out. This has got several different layers, so we're going to have to work our way down to what we actually want, which is this next layer here. Put these pieces that you pop out in your kitty as well, because you never know when you're going to need that gasket. So now we've got that, so now we just need our outside edge. And I'm not hitting hard, I'm just tapping. Tappy tap tap. This you can throw away. Okay, so then we got to find our holes. So there's one right there. So use the ball. You can run your finger over it. That'll kind of press it down and give you an idea. But yeah, you can just go ahead and use the ball end. You can rub, you can tap. And what we've got there is our perfect fitting gasket. So, keep this stuff in your shop. Don't worry about having to order a specific gasket for something that's odd. I mean, getting a gasket for a, what is that? 32, 52, 55, yeah, same age as me. 55-year-old mower deck, yeah, probably not going to find one of those. And if you do, they're probably going to charge you an arm and a leg for it. That's like $2 and a few minutes of time. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell for notifications of our new videos. And we will catch you in the next one. Hey, look down below the video. T-shirts.